A drone operator spotted 2 new Tesla Cybertruck builds under wraps at Giga Texas. Following several production delays, Tesla is working toward the initial production phases of the Cybertruck at Giga Texas. According to Tesla, production of the Cybertruck will begin in mid-2023. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we'll take a look at whether Giga Texas is building the Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck has generated a lot of buzz. Its unique design immediately drew attention when it was unveiled, and Musk has been fairly consistent in his belief that the all-electric pickup truck will be one of Tesla's greatest creations to date. The Cybertruck was unveiled in late 2019 and has since been in development. While the Cybertruck has always been an exciting concept for electric vehicle enthusiasts, the vehicle's actual release date has been quite frustrating for some. Tesla has revised the Cybertruck's dimensions and design several times, with Elon Musk confirming earlier this year that the company had finalized what it would bring to market next year. However, Tesla has kept several prototypes of the Cybertruck floating around the country for the past 3 years, making appearances at various locations. Drone operator Joe Tegmeyer spotted new prototypes this morning at Giga Texas, noting the Cybertrucks were located near the north portion of the facility. Tesla stated that the Cybertruck will be built at Giga Texas, but Tegmeyer stated that the prototypes arrived after he finished filming. These prototypes are most likely created at Fremont, where previous prototypes were created. It's difficult to tell from these photos because there's not much to compare the Cybertruck prototype's dimensions to, but these are most likely the revised body designs, which are slightly smaller in size than the original design Tesla brought to the stage in Hawthorne, California in 2019. Musk stated that the Cybertruck needed to be smaller in order to fit in the Boring Company tunnels, but the vehicle has also sparked some discussion about whether it could park in standard parking spaces. That's pretty much how the Cybertruck will look, with a few minor differences. We changed the size by a few percent, as in around 3% or less. You don't want it to be a couple of inches too large for the tunnel, Musk said in 2021 on the Joe Rogan Experience. IDRA's massive 9,000-ton Giga press will be used to build the Cybertruck. According to import data, Tesla has received shipments of casting equipment from IDRA to Giga Texas. During Tesla's earnings call in January and April, Musk stated that the Cybertruck will begin production in 2023. As a result of the delays, critics have pounced on Tesla and the all-electric pickup truck, with some even claiming that the vehicle will never be produced. However, based on Musk's remarks during last week's Q2 2022 earnings call, it appears that Tesla is now extremely confident about a mid-2023 Cybertruck release date. It's also not just the release date. Elon Musk made it a point to emphasize during his opening remarks on the Q2 2022 earnings call that the Cybertruck's production will represent the best that Tesla's vehicle manufacturing technologies have to offer. Musk hinted that Tesla will bring another level of simplicity and manufacturing improvements to the Cybertruck. Musk appears to be confident that Tesla's current design is the final one, which would be a significant step forward for the truck. While Tesla had hoped to begin production sooner, supply chain issues, semiconductor shortages, and other factors beyond the company's control have delayed the launch of the entire product line. Tesla announced earlier this year that it would postpone any new product releases until 2023, hoping the conditions would settle and become more relaxed. It was pointless to try to ramp up production of a new vehicle while the company's order book grew due to increased demand. It would only make it more difficult to fill existing orders. By the way, if you're watching this for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic. Although the Tesla Cybertruck is not yet in production, it is already being used around the company's facilities. While updated alpha prototypes of the all-electric pickup truck are being developed and refined in California, the first alpha unit of the Cybertruck appears to have found a home in Giga Texas. It's also not just on display. The original Cybertruck prototype had been used as a mobile refreshment unit for Giga Texas workers, as seen in a recent upload on Tesla's official Instagram page. The video was lighthearted and brief, and it featured 2 Tesla employees passing out refreshments to workers in Giga Texas. It's quite interesting to see Tesla still using its original Cybertruck prototype. The design of the all-electric pickup truck has evolved since its debut in November 2019, with updates to the vehicle's door handles and windshield, to name a few. Nonetheless, it's difficult not to be impressed by Tesla's original Cybertruck concept. Its brutalist appearance, cold steel frame, and massive futuristic wheels give the impression that it is truly a vehicle of the future. The original Cybertruck Alpha unit feels more unapologetic and imposing in comparison to Tesla's updated prototypes, which appear more refined and closer to production. The wait for the Cybertruck continues, though Musk has stated that production will begin next year. The vehicle will be manufactured at Giga Texas, and would most likely be outfitted with the company's 4,680 battery cells. The Cybertruck may use an 800-volt architecture, according to comments made during Tesla's Q1 2022 earnings call. However, according to Tesla, adopting an 800-volt architecture may provide few benefits at a high cost. The system doesn't really make sense for vehicles like the Model 3 and Model Y, according to Tesla SVP of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, Andrew Baglino. Musk stated that switching to 800 volts would probably save the company $100 or so, but the car's charging infrastructure and the entire vehicle system would have to be charged for it. There are some wins and losses with 800 volts for the smaller platform vehicles like the Model 3 and Model Y. Not everything is getting better. So we look at the platform, and we're not ignoring the fact that you can go to a higher voltage. But there's nothing really encouraging us to do so on that platform, Baglino explained. The Tesla SVP clarified that an 800-volt architecture has legitimate benefits, but only for larger vehicles. Baglino stated that the architecture is appropriate for electric vehicles that require more power when charging or torque. As a result, Tesla is considering using an 800-volt architecture for future vehicles such as the Cybertruck and the Tesla Semi. On larger vehicles where you need more power on the charging side, more power from the battery to the power electronics, or more torque, the current requirements increase. Going to a higher voltage saves a little more semiconductor and actual conductor. However, the benefit is questionably small for the Model 3 or Y platform, where we've got everything running, Baglino noted. Tesla's work on 800-volt architecture would most likely be overlooked, given the company's focus on scaling its operations on the back of the Model 3 and Model Y. The company's dedicated robo-taxi, which Elon Musk stated would have no steering wheels or pedals, would almost certainly not be using an 800-volt architecture. Musk stated in a statement about the vehicle that there is basically zero benefit to using an 800-volt architecture for the dedicated robo-taxi. Despite the delays, Tesla executives remain optimistic about the Cybertruck. Musk stated during the Cyber Rodeo that the Cybertruck could be Tesla's magnum opus. Tesla design chief Franz von Holhausen agreed, stating that the vehicle will be well worth the wait. "I can't wait to hold this baby. Cybertruck is going to be epic," Musk said of the Cyber pickup truck. Tesla is estimated to have a backlog of over 1 million reservations for the electric pickup truck, indicating that the vehicle program is receiving a lot of attention and that people are trying to track progress toward production. The Giga Press machine was recently completed, and Tesla's acceptance is expected to be a significant step toward production. Musk also stated that the Giga Texas will be America's most high-volume factory. He stated that Tesla's long-term goal is to command 20% of the auto market. The initial phases of Giga Texas have also been completed, implying that it will not take long to set up the Cybertruck's production line in the facility. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your views about the Cybertruck being built at Giga Texas? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in